Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very popular one. We are going to make a perfect Paruppu Podi. Paruppu Podi is a kind of dal and spice powder which we mix with steaming hot rice and it tastes really good. Let's see how to make it. For making this, we are going to use a mix of the three dals. So, the proportion is you take 1 measure of Tubar Dal, half measure of Channa Dal and half measure of Moong Dal. We will dry roast the dals one by one. Use a heavy pan and roast it over a low flame till the dal slightly changes color. See, now I am getting a very good aroma of the roasted dal, and we have been roasting it over only a low flame, so the dal is well roasted. Remove this onto a plate. In the same pan, add half a cup of Channa Dal and dry roast that also. See, the Channa Dal is also well roasted. You can see it has slightly changed color. Make sure that the dal is not raw. It should be well roasted and crunchy to the bite. Now we will remove this also. Take it out onto the plate. Now in the same pan I am adding half a cup of Moong Dal. We will dry roast this also. See, the Moong Dal has also been well roasted. We will switch this off too and allow this also to cool. If you are a beginner, you might ask me, Amma, how will I know if it is roasted? You can go by various factors. Look at the appearance. The color should be lightly browned like this, a golden color. Next, have you get a good aroma. So from the smell also you know. Otherwise, just allow it to cool. Take a small piece of dal and bite it. You should feel it crunchy. It should not be raw and chewy. That means it is well roasted. Just add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Here I have taken about 10 to 12 dry red chillies, regular spicy chillies, and 5 or 6 of these Bydagi chillies for the color. If you don't have the Bydagi or Kashmiri chillies, don't worry, just use only the spicy chillies, that also is fine. Just toss it in the oil till the chillies are also well fried and puff up nicely. Now drain them out also onto a plate. Now allow all the dals and the chillies to come down to room temperature. Everything has cooled down well to room temperature. So in a dry blender jar, add the roasted chillies and also I am adding a small piece of tamarind to it. Remove the seeds if there are any. Add salt. First we will blend this into a powder. See, the chillies, tamarind, salt have been blended into a fine powder. Now add in this roasted dals to it. Now I am adding about half a teaspoon of Hing. Because we are using dals, it's a good idea to use Hing to aid the digestion. Now we will grind everything together into a powder. See, all the spices, dal, everything has been blended well. You can keep it very slightly coarse if you like. Some people like it very fine also, that depends on your choice. Now take it out onto your bowl. So our perfectly blended, authentic, traditional Paruppu Podi is ready now. To serve, we have some steaming hot rice here. To this, we add some of this Paruppu Podi. Top it with some ghee. This is a little bit of that mango pickle which we made recently, the mango and green chilli pickle. I have uploaded the video recently on our channel. And of course, the best combination is some roasted uptown. Mix the podi and ghee with this steaming hot rice. And enjoy the delicious taste. Store the remaining podi in a clean dry container. You can just store it in your kitchen shelf, no need of refrigeration or anything. It will stay good easily for 2 to 3 months and you can enjoy it, especially with the rainy season coming up soon. Having such podis at home is a great blessing indeed, because your work will become very easy and you will enjoy this steaming hot rice with podi and nei, some papad, pickle and maybe a raita or some curd to go with it. Earlier on also I have shown you Paruppu Podi, a different style, using only Tubar Dal or using even this putani dal, that is the chutney dal. Today I have shown you using all the 3 dals. This taste is something really superb. Definitely try out this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.